In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple accounts on Discord Mobile. This can be particularly useful if you're managing different communities, working with different teams, or simply want to separate your personal and professional interactions. With this feature, you don't have to constantly log in and out to switch between accounts, making your Discord experience much more seamless. First, it's essential to ensure that you have the latest version of Discord installed on your mobile device. Keeping your app up to date ensures access to the latest features, including the ability to manage multiple accounts. If you're uncertain, just head over to your device's App Store and look for any available updates. This step is crucial because an updated app means a smoother, more reliable experience. Once you've confirmed your app is updated, go ahead and open Discord on your mobile device. On the home screen, you'll notice your profile picture located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to reveal your user settings. This area is where you can manage various settings related to your account, including privacy options and account information. Now that you're in the user settings, you'll need to pay attention here. Despite scrolling almost all the way down, you won't find an Add Account option directly in Discord settings. What you'll need to do instead is log out of your current account and then switch to your other account. Having your username and password handy for this step is key. Carefully enter the details to ensure they're correct. After entering your login information, tap Login. If you've entered everything accurately, Discord will log you into the second account, and you'll find yourself back at the home screen. You'll spot a small icon at the bottom of your screen, typically your profile picture or the server where you're most actively chatting. This icon indicates the account you're currently using. This action will present you with a list of all the accounts you've logged in with on your mobile device. It's that straightforward. With each account, you'll have access to a different set of servers, friends, and settings, helping you keep your interactions organized. This feature is both powerful and convenient. It allows you to stay connected with various communities without the hassle of remembering different passwords or logging in and out each time you want to access a different account. Whether you're moderating several servers, enjoying casual interactions with friends, or managing professional communication, having multiple accounts on Discord Mobile can streamline your digital interactions effortlessly. So, go ahead and set up as many accounts as you need and enjoy a more flexible Discord experience.